What if I tell you that salvage vehicles are selling at all-time high right now in this economy? Most dealers are competing themselves in the salvage vehicles industry. If you go to Copart website or if you go to IAA website, you find it's very challenging to buy some of the salvage vehicles that we used to buy at a cheaper price before. In this video, I'm going to share with you why prices of vehicles that has salvage title are selling at a high price in United States, especially now. Reason number one, the economy. Most buyers don't have enough money to go and buy new vehicles. Most buyers are holding on to the current vehicle that they have now. And when they are holding on to the vehicles that they have, the rate of vehicles for wholesale dealers, trading is gonna be low. And when trading is low, you're gonna have less vehicle for you and I to buy. If you look at the auction now, you see that most of the inventory is very low. And when inventory is very low, we dealers are competing against each other on the vehicles that are remaining, the vehicles that comes in the market. When you are getting outbid all the time, when you go to the auction, you know the market value of these vehicles. For example, this 2020 Toyota Highlander, you know the market value. But when somebody is bidding more than the market value, what do you have to do? If you buy it, it becomes very challenging for you to sell it. So now, dealers like you and I are looking for alternatives where to get vehicles so they can be able to have vehicles for their inventory. And we are turning into buying vehicles for the salvage vehicle. And most people now are going that direction and it's affecting the prices. Reason number two is about the choice of vehicle. Most of American vehicles like Ford doesn't have second-hand value. But if you're looking for vehicles like Toyota brand has second-hand value. And whether it's salvage, Toyota will always have its value at the marketplace. So when you see a Ford product at the auction, it's only left for American buyers. And those people that want it, the value they place on those vehicles, they are being careful. But when it comes to Toyota product, Honda product, they maintain their value for life. I'll give you an example. I bought a 2015 RS 350. That's for my personal use. I bought it in 2020 during coronavirus. But I bought it from the IAA auction. It was salvage. I repaired it. I think I paid, if I calculate everything, it came to like 11,000 something because I bought it from the auction around 9,000 something. And then by the time I calculate all their fees and all that, it was coming to 10,000 something. Then I used 1,000 something to fix it, making it up to like, let me say like 11,000 something total. That's what I paid for that vehicle. Okay. By the time I do the licensing, it's gonna be like, okay, 12,000. Now at the marketplace, this vehicle is still at 90,000 miles. If I bring it to the auction, I will still sell that vehicle for $14,000 for 2015 Lexus RS 350 that is at 90,000 miles. You see what I'm saying when it comes to retail value? So all these vehicles that like Toyota products, Lexus is Toyota luxury, or Honda, they keep their value. But let's say that I buy a vehicle like a Ford Explorer, do the same thing. You will see that I will not be able to get the market value of my vehicle. The value will depreciate immediately. Tip number three, export buyers. Export buyers, this is another reason. Export buyers are driving the market price high. You see, foreigners like you and I have two accounts. I can buy from clean title and sell in United States. And I can buy from salvage vehicle like Copart and IAA and still sell to foreigners. So you can do the same thing. But because of the foreign demand, most of these salvage vehicles, you are competing with people outside the United States. And then the difference here is the cost of labor. While it will cost them like, let's say $300 to fix a vehicle that has a door issue. But here in United States, painting and labor might cost you 1,000 something for fixing the same door in the United States. So you see now, I'm competing with somebody that has 70% reduced price on repair, okay? And now foreigners are getting wiser. Before, they don't care about the mileage, but now when a foreigner wants to buy a vehicle, they have already understood that mileage matters. Unlike before, they just buy a vehicle because it's neat. But because of exposure to internet, now they have understood that these vehicles, the mileage has something to do with the price. Now we're competing with outsiders, okay? That's how it is. But if you are into dealership and you have access to be able to export a vehicle, that's another stream of income that you can consider also. You can buy salvage vehicle and export. You can buy clean title like from this auction and export. So if you're a new dealer or an OG in this industry, these are the things you're gonna consider. If you want to get into salvage vehicles to be able to buy, is another stream of income. You can do export, you can sell local. Americans are buying used salvage vehicles now because of economy. And all these things are what you can always consider in order to continue to make profit. All you have to do is to buy smart, sell fast, and make a lot of money. Your main concern is, how do I make money in this industry?